The Jamaica Scorpions will have a new look in both the batting and bowling departments when action gets going on Thursday's opening day of the IICB Regional 4-day competition. The Scorpions will play the champions Ghana Jaguars at the Providence Stadium, and their coach Robert Samuels spoke about the makeup of the team prior to their departure on Monday.
The makeup of the team, we have Bulai, who's a left-arm spinner. We have Paul, who's another left-arm spinner. We have Damani Sewell off spin. So we have a nice balance and three fast bowlers in terms of Jason Dawes, Keena Wallace, and Derval Green. So we have three pacers and three spinners going on the road with Fabian Allen to complement the team. It's a new look team because I think we have missed about 7 players from last season. So it's a new look team. It's a different setup, a different organization, different selection policy. So I'm looking forward to going down and seeing the boys play cricket.
As well as the 3 newcomers to the squad, there are returning players such as pacer Keena Wallace, who could figure in tomorrow's 11.
Keena Wallace played 2 games for Jamaica already and wasn't successful in terms of getting a wicket, but we thought with the additional pace that Keena has, hopefully he can extract some bounce and some pace from the Guyana and Trinidad track. That is why we went with Keena Wallace. Derval Green played last year, got most wickets for the Scorpion, and Jason Dawes, who has been around for a long time, will spearhead the attack. So when we go down, we look at the pitch and we'll see which level we're going out there with.
The match bowls off at 8:30 Jamaica time. The rounds of the matches will see the Windward Islands Volcanoes playing the Leeward Islands Hurricanes at St. George's in Grenada, and Barbados Pride taking on the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force at the Kensington Oval in Barbados.